share with you 3 tips to get your children involved and excited about gardening. Encourage your kids to keep a journal or portfolio. They can keep track of the plant's growth progress each week, draw pictures of their observations, and remember their favorite things about gardening. The learning skills from gardening reach beyond the backyard. It will boost their literacy skills too. Children learn best by doing, so let them get their hands dirty. Give them the right gardening gear and encourage them to play in the dirt. Also, educate them on which bugs are good and which bugs are bad. Point out the pollinators and teach them all that they do for us. Allow your children to have a gardening space to call their own. This does not have to be big. You can even start with a large container or a few pots. The responsibility of growing their own plants will give them a sense of pride.